Hi, good morning. Welcome to Daily Market Dose with Jagadish, Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and key levels to watch out for. Index spot levels. Nifty opens around 19,400, makes a lows of 19,329 to close flat around 19,400 zones to form a doji candle and an insider candle for the day. Bank Nifty 2 opened around 43,598, tested the lows of 43,280 to close above 43,700, positive 118 points, positive by 0.27%. CNX IT ended the day with 0.03% gains, that is around 30,980 levels. The advanced decline ratio is positive and advanced decline ratio is 1:1.5. 98 advances versus declines of 85 stocks. India VIX hovering around 11.19, positive 0.72%. As per the derivatives data, Nifty resistance placed at 19,530-560 zones, supports placed at 19,350-19,280 zones. Bank Nifty resistance at 43,980, followed by 44,200, followed by 44,300. Supports placed at 43,500, 43,300 and 43,100 zones for the weekly expiry. Actionable ideas. Nifty futures sell on rise till 19,500, 19,520 zones with stop loss of 19,560. Bank Nifty sell on rise till 43,980 with a stop loss of 44,200. Stock specific action to continue. Add quality stocks to your long-term portfolio for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Hope our market updates is helping viewers in trading and investment decisions. If so, hit the like button and do share it to your friends and relatives looking for market updates and market insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time, kindly do subscribe the channel for more market updates and interesting insights. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Take care.